Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am taking this bar of ivory soap and some of my makeup brushes, and I am cleaning them. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I have very sensitive skin and I have tried all types of brush cleaners, but the one that I found that works the best is just a bar of ivory soap. And I'm just going to take the ivory soap, put it in a drainer in my sink, and just take my makeup brushes and run them across, and I'm going to clean my makeup brushes. This is the best way for me. It prevents breakouts and it cleans my brushes at the same time. I would like to thank Sunday Dawn as always for putting this Tiny Tidy collaboration together each and every Tuesday. Please check out her channel, The Helpful Home. I will have it linked in my description box below, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist. So let's get busy cleaning some of my makeup brushes.
I can try if you let me. Without lives I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes,
You'll notice that I just take the brush and I just go back and forth as if I were painting until it runs clear and all of the makeup is out of the sponge. Then I just make sure to rinse it really well, and I store it on a paper towel to dry, and then it is like new again. I use ivory soap just because ivory soap works with my skin, and you could probably use any bar of soap that you wish to use.
You close the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling.
guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy. It is amazing what you can do with just a bar of soap around your home. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.